Series 7 is a shambles, an almost unbearably juiceless run of episodes. Almost. Including the Snowmen, Day, and Time of the Doctor makes this the longest string of stories I've done a video about, and I can count the number of them that really do anything for me on one hand. Not counting Day of the Doctor, whose inclusion almost feels like cheating, there's no truly transcendently great episodes in this season, which is a first and not something oft repeated, thank goodness. I really don't like how derisive and bitter I've sounded about Series 7, but it's just so mid. It's the first time that getting through a season of the show has ever felt like a chore. It's clear watching that Stephen Moffat took on too much for himself and may have just been off his game otherwise. The quality of his scripts have cratered, the Impossible Girl mystery isn't a fraction as compelling as his other arcs, and so it falls on the guest writers to carry the season with compelling one-offs, and excluding the occasional silver egg, they mostly just can't manage it. Also, this is easily the weakest of the show's title sequences.